Hi, welcome to Techie Fan of India. We are going to the next uh, video. This series of Python. It's a global variable. In the last, we have been through the what is local variable and what about that all about the local variable. But here we are getting the global variable here as the variable have mentioned the super. Global variable is the variable that once declared and it is accessible entire the program. Whenever we need, we can call the particular variable accessible super. So we are defining here function div my function. This is closed and colon. It's a declaration and then global x. That's defining the global value of the x. Then x is equal to I mentioned the here double noted comma. Inside we are mentioning the number one. Inside we are mentioning number one, and it's known as the local variable. X is equal to number one is the local variable here inside, and then we are calling the function my function. The brace is closed. Print inside my inside print inside double noted comma. Python is Python is plus x. Let's see which x it will call the global x or local x. So we have using the my function, it will call the global x, and next print Python is plus, it will call the local x. Let's see after running we'll come to know that what is going on here. Yeah, so we are waiting for it. For x as it is a super and globally defined, and then global x mentioned, and then called by the my function braces, and next print Python is close the double inverted comma and plus x as the local variable should come. So let's see after running only we can say that whether it is the local variable or of global variable. After running we can see here, yeah, it is the only one is written. That's Python is number one. That's the local variable we can see here. But super is not a call because we have not given the proper info for that. So locally is called the Python is number one. This much only has printed it. So we are going to the next, typing the next line here that will clearance. So we are mentioning that my function double comma. Then also we can see the only one line that is the print Python double comma plus x is as the global variable. Number one is called once twice, but global variable is not called. So we are going to print the value inside the my function, my Python. It below the before the global x is awesome, and then awesome double and in exclamation symbol is mentioned there. We are running the same um, program. Then we can see Python is awesome. Python is awesome. We can see here properly. Then also we are unable to access the global variable. So for calling the global variable, what we need to add, we are just going to get it. So we are running once more. We are getting the same one. Python is awesome. Python is number one, but we are not calling the super. So for that, we are going some other steps. First, you verifying the input and output whether it is right or not. As we are watching the output as per input, is it is the good. There is no any issue. If any kind of issue will there, we'll get to know. Yeah, next we are going to the X is number one, showing the same one, and Python is awesome. It is already a print statement in of the function mentioning there. So at place of awesome, we wanted to super. So I will mention. You just go to the X value number one. We have passed the same value here. That is the reason it's showing us the number one value. If it is not there, then we'll see. So we are printing the same function 4 to 5 times, and we are getting the same value multiple of time. Python is awesome. Python is awesome. So that's all about it. Okay, that we have done properly.